No injuries, but they got an early Christmas present in humility. Driver runs red light, later runs a stop sign. California zombie almost goes to heaven. Cheating idiot fails at shortcuts.
Wow. Okay. Yeah, you passed everybody. You just went a big red line. Nice.
We now have a drive-through.
What the fuck happened? What the fuck? Who? Oh, yeah, please.
He's angered the wife. Graphic definition of make things worse.
¡Dale, Marín, dale! Nie chcesz, to nie, tylko mnie nara. O kurwa!
Passing in a turn lane.
What's the best fuel for your car? Does higher octane mean more energy or more power? If you put premium gas to the price of a car that requires regular gas, will it improve your engine performance?
He said, I didn't see you.
Takes the oath of office at noon outside the state capitol. Cap Radio's Nicole Nixon reports his second term will be marked by multiple challenges.
Newsom won the race for California governor, but much of the attention he's received in the past year has been about
Stuck in a swamp. What a morning. Guy decided to test drive in a swamp. I almost ate a T-bone for lunch. Make sure to tie down your load. Idiots on cars.
I've never seen some shit like this. Look at this fucking guy. Look at this fucking guy. Look, we're doing 60 on the freeway and this guy's in the back of this fucking truck. That's a real fucking person right there, bro.
Compact car tries to outturn a semi. Apparently I'm the idiot and clown in this scenario. Corvette turns his car off at the drive-through window after being told to pull forward because his order wasn't ready and he told the manager he wanted me to wait. I'm still utterly confused why these vehicles were so upset at me. Hilarious.
I don't understand.
It's okay to drive the wrong way if you're on the shoulder. Some idiot was flying through my neighborhood last night, crashed into a neighbor's house. Drive-through shenanigans. Headlights off versus red light runner.
Called Talking Sopranos, where they went back and watched the whole series all over again.
Oh my god.
Published his first novel, The Perfume Burned His Eyes.
Dude forgot he was towing a boat. Typical San Francisco hijinks. Almost a head-on collision caused by an idiot BMW driver.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe and watch our other videos.